LiberNovo originally launched their Omni Ergonomic chair on Kickstarter. The campaign was a massive success. It's widely recognised for its unique motorized Omni Stretch spinal massage and bionic backrest, designed to move adaptively with your posture. Right now the Omni is extremely popular and everyone seems to say it's the best chair ever made. Well, do you really get your money's worth? It costs $900 US. Here's my honest review on the LiberNovo Omni Ergonomic chair. Assembling the chair was pretty straightforward, although having an extra pair of hands made it easier. There's even a large instructions board to follow, and the chair comes in 5 separate pieces, and the wheels and tools come in a well packaged accessory box. Attaching the backrest was the trickiest part, but the whole process takes no longer than 10 minutes, and I was set up and ready to go. As for the price, it was originally set at £1,248 UK, putting it right in line with the Embody from Herman Miller. Now however, the Omni is currently priced on the market for £985 UK, and I feel the current price is much more realistic, although I feel for anyone who originally paid full price. I'm not sure if the prices will get slashed again anytime soon, but with another chair getting released by the company next month, I'm hoping to review that as well. It might be better to wait and weigh up your options. LiberNovo has a design philosophy to offer top support and comfort, but how well does the Omni actually perform in both departments? The Bionic FlexFit backrest hugs your spine well, however I did find the backrest moves a little bit more than I liked. Obviously that's the nature of ergonomic chairs, since it adapts and moves to your posture. While sitting at my desk playing games in my old chair, I noticed I always seemed to sit forward into probably the unhealthiest sitting position possible, with no back lumbar support at all. While the Bionic backrest feels much more natural to just sink into, kind of like gaming with mouse and keyboard at a couch. It's very comfortable. The backrest has 16 pivot points and 8 panels to contour the spine's natural shape. One issue I found, the armrests are just too loose in my opinion, and they seem to swing around at the slightest touch. Being able to lock them in place would improve the design. The frame of the chair is made from a glass fibre reinforced plastic, and it does provide a sturdy base that seems pretty durable. Right, the Omni also has a good range of height adjustments from 44 to 55 centimeters, and the lever works really well. The second lever is used for reclining with a range of 105 to 160 degrees with 4 locking positions. While the chair is locked in its upright position, the ergonomic features allow the backrest to adjust to my body movements. In my opinion, the backrest should be more resistant to my overall body weight. Even so, it does keep my body and posture aligned well, like a good ergonomic chair should. The U-shaped headrest is adjustable, 140mm vertical and 120mm horizontal. I love the design, but I noticed quite a bit of wobble and movement, which is common with ergonomic chairs like this, as there's a lot of moving parts. Also available but sold separately is the step sink footrest. While relatively cheap, it's a nice companion to the chair. It features a fixed 10 degrees ergonomic tilt to improve circulation during long desk sessions and comes in 2 different heights, 7 and 12 centimeters. The chair also has 2 different seat depths, 45 centimeters and 48 centimeters. The cushions are made with a high density foam and the fabric is very breathable. I wouldn't recommend this space grey version as it stains very easily, although it does wipe off better than any other chair I've ever used before, and it breathes so well, making it extremely sweat resistant. The materials used over the high density foam and armrests are high quality and it gives the chair a premium look, but they will take a lot of maintenance to keep clean in this colour or shade. If you're looking at purchasing the Omni, my advice would be to go for the midnight black. Okay everyone, after a few weeks with this chair, I'm impressed. I like the bionic backrest. The motorized features seem a little unnecessary, but I'm honestly not sure on how much this will benefit my back over the long term. Maybe adjusting the lumbar regularly will help my back over time. I tend to sit with terrible posture on my old chairs with one leg tucked under another, and I always end up with terrible pins and needles. The Omni pins me in place and stops my bad seating habits. LiberNovo have tried a different idea and should be commended for it. Any shortcomings seem to be minor issues, and I expect that to be be ironed out going forward, and I will still give it an 8.5 out of 10 because once I'm sat back, the Omni is one of the most comfortable chairs I have ever used. What's your opinions? Would you ever consider spending this much on an office chair? Let me know down in the comments section. I would love to hear your opinions, and if you feel like watching some of my other content, I can highly recommend these videos as they're some of my best work. My name's Mark from Silence Tech. Goodbye.